Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of casaos and Synology. In order to do so, here we are at casaos.zemaspace.com, and we're also at synology.com. Let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI in order to do a comparison. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models at any time. According to Cider, both casaos and Synology are popular options for network-attached storage, but they serve different needs and audiences. casaos is open source and free. It's designed to be plug and play with an easy user-friendly interface. It runs on single board computers or any compatible hardware. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want customization. It focuses on home users and those wanting a lightweight, flexible NAS. It supports Docker, apps, and basic file sharing. Synology, on the other hand, is a commercial brand with a range of hardware devices. It's known for reliable, user-friendly, feature-rich OS called DSM. Its features include cloud sync, backup, multimedia server security, and more. It has better out-of-the-box support and software ecosystem and enterprise features. It's suitable for home users, small businesses, and enterprises. But which one should you choose? casaos is better if you want a cheap, customizable DIY solution, especially if you're comfortable with tech. Synology is ideal if you want a plug-and-play, reliable, feature-rich NAS with excellent software support and less maintenance. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.